Hi, I'm Bradley. I studied live events production at the Academy of Lighting Technologies. I now spend my time working on TV shows as an LED strip installer and starting to work on festivals like South by Southwest for the British Music Embassy, lighting designing and opping their shows. Working in live events, I get to see so many up and coming artists, especially working for the BME. It's great. With my old job, I get to see those artists grow and come onto talk shows and all of that sort of stuff. It's amazing to see those bands progress and amazingly what they go on to do. One of my favourite moments so far as a technician was probably finishing my first stint at South by Southwest Texas. I remember finishing the last band and we had the Get Out to start, and I'd just done my first solid week in a foreign country by myself, and it took me by surprise how much that resonated with me. I had to take 20 minutes just to calm down and then get on with the D-rig. And that feeling of joy that I got through something is something that I will always remember. If I was going to give one bit of advice to anyone who wants to get into the live events industry, put your hand to anything. I'm a lighting tech, but I will do sound, I'll do video. I may need a bit of a hand getting into those things, and I may need a hand plugging up a wall or how to get some RF working. But I'm willing to give it a go, and if you're that friendly face that will give anything a go and is willing to learn, you'll go far. There's not a day that goes by when something I learned at the Academy of Lighting Technology doesn't come in useful. Even if it's just someone to phone when I've forgotten something. Just the community is so supportive, and that's very helpful in everyday life.